Everybody in the room ready for a training moment?
Hey, Coach, where SPY at the top of the trading channel indicators on Trading View, would you buy into calls on a break of 618 or no way?
Yeah, I can see it on top of the regression channel. But hold on a minute. All right, here. Hold on. That's where we go back in time. 618, 618.50. Yeah, I would wait, partner, until this can break and hold above around this 618 10, 20-ish area. Can you see it? That'll get us into the 50s.
Yeah, I can see that. That's kind of pre-market high.
Yep.
That's
You guys see all this in here? So this will be a little bit of the resistance, but if you guys bought again a little bit lower, you're still okay. LD, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I've been doing the green and out, and I'm green, let's see, 16 out of the last 17 days, and that's going well.
Wow.
However, it's kind of turning me into a chicken.
That's
I get
okay.
green, I get out, like on Apple today. I shaved off, I started with 20, shaved off on 18, made profit, left two. I had kind of for some reason, I have a gold line there at about 212. And when it pulled back off of that, even though it didn't even drop below the nine, I instantly got out and only had two contracts. And, it went up. I got out at, let's see, 233 and it went up to 330. Now it's a 335.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. What
Everybody
am
in
I
the room
doing?
ready? Everybody in the room ready for a training moment?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
LD, are you scalping or doing the 2-minute EWO?
Well, initially, I think I'm doing the 2 minute EWO and then I turn it into a scalp
There you go.
because I think
Everybody
that's
catch
what's
that?
happening to me.
Everybody catch that? And I already knew it was going there. Can one person tell me why I already knew it was going there? Tell me now.
Because you're a genius.
You're a
Nope.
genius.
Nope.
Because
Oh, we made that mistake
he's mixing
before.
two different kinds of trades.
How many did he start with?
Oh, 20. He started with 20.
How many did he
20 and shed
remove?
18.
Listen, is that what he's been trained to do? Nope, not at all. Not one time ever have I ever discussed taking out 80% of your trade on the first pullback. Have I ever said that in a 2-minute EWO strategy? Has that ever come out of my mouth?
Never.
Negative.
So I
50,
already
20,
knew
20, 10.
So I already knew immediately, LD, you are combining, you're crossing the streams, my friend. And
Okay, so I just need to go smaller and just
that's it.
ride
That's it.
what's
That's it. I was just going to tell everybody in the room the reason that's happening is because he's going in too large. So he's panicking and he's having fear and greed control the trade instead of the 2-minute EWO tool working because he was in so large. Instead, how about five? How about five? Let it go. Take when you get your first pullback, take off two or three, and then one and one. Or you see what I mean? Go in with six, take off two, and then pulls back again one, and then it pulls back again one, and then your six would be worth more than the 18 you took off immediately trying to do a scalp instead of a 2-minute EWO. Makes sense. And your risk is larger doing what you're doing because if it does pull back, because guess what? Sometimes the 2-minute EWO, yeah, it looks like a great entry and it does the things, and then a nice drops, and then it goes and then it stays, and you're like, ah. But if you had the proper risk management with the proper correct size, it wouldn't matter. Smaller position sizes. Use the strategy. Stop making up stuff on your own. Do what is you have been trained to do. Then come and ask me if it's not working. But gang, working with people my whole life. If you say one sentence to me, I will be able to auto calculate what you have done wrong.
Chat GPT.
Yeah, this is why I tell you though, right? When you guys do a one-on-one with me and you guys always think I'm full of shit when I'm like, oh, there's no way you could get. I can hear and see what you are doing when you tell me. I know exactly where to get you immediately. We don't have the 15-minute questionnaire. But that's what I've been trained to do by training people my whole life to get to the point. I don't need all the I already know. Right? This is why I'm trying to get you to where you need to go as fast as possible. So LD, does that make sense? So if we're going to do the 2-minute EWO, you already said it. I want smaller position sizes following the rules. And then until you are comfortable doing that, you can't increase your position sizes, right? Because if you start to increase your position sizes too early, you will start to not follow the strategy. You might find success because, yeah, if you went in with 100 contracts, we're normally going with 10, and it did pop off of the perfect entry of a 2-minute EWO. You're like, yeah, but I found something amazing that will work, and all the. Eventually, you're gonna go, yeah, but you went in with 100 and it freaking knife dropped. And you're like, oh, there went half my account. What did I do?